Okay guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe, press that like button. The like button gives me more views and gives me more exposure around the web. And say hi. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I've got another one for you. I went out Boxing Day shopping in town today and I come across a little like a variety store and I saw this in the variety store. Brew in a bag. Can you see that? Brew in a bag. This is from what they call smoke and salt and hops. Basically it's a brew in a bag. It's pale ale craft. It has full-on instructions. I thought this is quite unique, so I'm opening her up. I thought I'd do this in front of everybody here because it might be interesting to you guys. Here's the instruction manual. The instructions are pretty much fold out like a little ticket. I don't know if you guys, I'm sure you guys can see that. It has full instructions on how to actually brew it, just there. Very interesting. I'll have a read of the instructions first. It says, please read the instructions carefully. Okay, well, like always, we're blokes, we're going to do that? Probably. It's a bag. Okay, what it is basically a bladder bag. So we've got some yeast, which they've got written on there, just 68 yeast premium, that's all it is, made in the EU. Little yellow cap. And this is what would seem, feels like extract. Ah, look at this. I hope you can see this. Well, it looks like a little bladder. A tap on here, little filler cap. Hasn't been tampered with, it's got tamper-proof stuff on it, so that's really cool. Okay, so, all right. Let's see what else we have to do. I think it's probably the same as making a brew, an extract brew, with just using water from the tap. So unscrew the white cap, which is this little beauty here, this little white cap, which I'll do in a sec. Place the white cap carefully, shaking the bag to this one. Oh no, this is lay the bag flat, just like I have here. You have to get, fill a measuring jug with 2 litres of water. So I've got a measuring jug and it says to here you need 1 part hot water, 2 parts cold. Okay, so tap water starts running. We'll get that sorted out. 1 part tap water, 2 parts cold. So anyway, got some hot water coming. So that'll be about 330 ml out of 1 litre. So we're looking at 660 ml for 2 litres. So what I'll do is I'll do it. Go 330 and then I'll do the rest. We've got 200, near 300. Look, I can't be put spot on. Give it a bit out. About 335, something like that. Anyway, we'll get some cold water going. It's all tap water, so tap water is sterilised. The only thing you got to worry about with tap water is chlorine, which hasn't really affected brew that bad. It's, if you don't care so much about that little bit of extra flavour, it doesn't matter so much. Okay, I now have a litre of warm water. So I shall take this cap off. I hope it doesn't go everywhere. Oh, okay, there's a little plug in here. Got a little pull tag. Hopefully I don't break it. There we go. One little pull tag, all come off. Just like extract, just what we were looking for. Open her up so I can get some air in there. We'll pour this 1 litre of lukewarm water in there. It's amazing. Don't know what this is about. What I'll do is I'll put that cap back on so I can make my other litre. It says 2 litres, so I'm going to do 2 litres of lukewarm water. Now, water here at the moment is about 23 degrees Celsius in the ground. So we're having some hot summers at the moment, which is great. Love the heat. Okay, hot water going. Exactly the same thing as before. Oh, look at that. That's about right. I'm getting good at this stuff. A little bit more. Oh, I should talk, shouldn't I? A little bit more. Now let's talk about simple home brew. Alright, we've got another litre there, so I'll get that in there. Now, as you can tell, I haven't really read the instructions properly. I don't know you had to put 2 litres in here. And off at a guess, I reckon from that, we would have to mix this in the bag so it dissolves the extract that's already in there. Doesn't smell overly hoppy. I can't smell any hops or anything like that. White cap. So I'll close that. And we shall mix her up. How interesting is this, eh? Now, I've seen these little hangers here. I wonder if you hang them up. Maybe hang them up in a... Can you hang it up on a pole or something? Or... I don't know about hanging it up. Anyway. Okay, I've got that all shook up, I'd say. Probably not enough, but it'll be enough for what I want. And that's to dissolve the extract that's in there. So I reckon it's mixed enough for me. Next, what do they say? Oh, okay. So what we're going to do is unscrew the cap. So we're looking at 13 litres of beer here by the look of it. So now we'll have to unscrew our white cap again, get our brewer's yeast, pour that in, and then pour the rest water to keep it at 18 to 21 degrees Celsius they recommend. Okay. So I open up the brewer's yeast, grab the cap. How weird is this, huh? I hope you can see this. I've got the other camera over there, so that might show a bit of what I'm doing. It's just a bit awkward. Pour the yeast in. Okay, that's in. Now the rest is going to be water. They say 11 litres of water. So, like I said, our tap water's at 22, 23 degrees Celsius at the moment. I'm not going to get it any colder than that, so I'll just use it. Alright, we'll count. 1. I'll speed this section up anyway, guys. You don't have to put up with it. Instructions, and it says you've got to gently screw the yellow cap on, and don't screw it up. It says perfect extract, wipe clean with a cloth if necessary. Gently screw on the yellow brewing cap just until it catches. Okay. Do not tighten. Okay. The bag should now be placed in an environment between 18 and 25 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Making sure it is in an upright position on a hard surface, just like this. I'm not going to leave it here though. Do not place the bag close to workshop edge. What the hell does that mean? Workshop edge. Okay. So if you guys out there would like to design this, hey, send us a message. Let me know. What does workshop edge mean? You tell me. I've never heard that saying before, but it's not because it's not a real one. It just means I've never heard it before, that's all. So it looks like it's going to have about 30 days of fermenting time. And on that, it actually says that within the 3 and 4 day period when it starts to ferment, it's going to puff up and expand and become fairly solid. The cap will allow the air to escape, for pressure to escape. So that's why we have to have it upright. What I did notice though, it's got these little hang tags, which I don't know how we're going to use them if we are. It's interesting. So we'll see how this thing goes. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you an insight on something that's new out there to become part of the brewing community, I suppose. It's a simple thing to do, putting beer in a bag, just like that. Yeah, so pretty cool. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press the little bell on the corner so you get more notifications when I put my videos up. And don't forget to press that like button.